Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel, and this is part one of a series that I'm doing of my tech tips videos. So in today's video, you'll actually be seeing my top 10 tips for these guys, the smartphones, and stay tuned, this is going to be awesome. Smartphone tech tip number one, you find yourself in a hotel room without a charger. You simply go look at the TV and see if there's a USB port and plug into that. Tech tip number two, if you guys have been out riding or something and you need a mirror really quick, just flip that phone screen around and there you have it. Alright, so smartphone tech tip number three. So the easiest way to crank up the volume on your smartphone is, first off, find an empty cup. Second, take your smartphone, insert smartphone into empty cup. Let's see if this actually works. Hey guys, welcome to the Fix My Bleep channel. In this video, you're going to see
okay,
of an awesome
I'll give that a plus.
Smartphone tip number four, somebody needs to make an emergency call on your iPhone. Use Siri from the lock screen, that way they have no access to any of your apps or programs. Alright, smartphone tech tip number five, you always want to store a little bit of cash between your cell phone and your case. It will definitely come in handy on a rainy day. What in the hell? All right, tech tip number six. You've got, that guest, or we all have them, that family member that has the incessant morning alarm and they just refuse to get up and shut it off. So to remedy this, you call their cell phone number and that will actually shut it off for you. Jerks. So iPhone tech tip number seven, try charging your iPhone while it's in airplane mode. You'll get it charged up quite a bit quicker if you're in a big hurry or something. Hey, by the way, dinner's looking really good. And smartphone tip number eight, darker wallpaper themes can help you save 6 to 8% on your battery life on your smartphone with your typical screen. So tip number nine, put an emergency contact name and phone number on your lock screen in case you should lose your phone. Okay, you guys, so smartphone tech tip number 10, you want a quick way to unfreeze your smartphone. Just plug it into the charger. Hey, thanks so much for watching the video. Hopefully you learned a little bit more about some of these smartphones, and come on back and watch some of the other tech videos that I'm working on in the series, or just some of my regular videos. I'll catch you later.